All right, go for it, dude. Floor it. Do it again. Again. And let go. Okay, one more time.